What's up, guys? Today we're out in the shed. We got the Can-Am up on jack stands and we're trying to do some maintenance. Now, as you know, I ain't no mechanic, but we're gonna learn today. So today we're looking at installing some gam-offroad solutions high performance brake pads for the Can-Am X3. You can go to gamparts.com to get your brake pads. They got lots of stuff for more than just the X3, so make sure and check them out. Apparently you can replace them with hex heads or Allen key heads instead of these T30s. Get a better bite. We'll leave it at that. Next, we got to take these out. That one, and there's one down here somewhere. Alright, as you can see, these are really dirty, so we're going to remove those pins, take the pads out, try to clean them up best we can. I don't think I have any brake clean left, and it's Sunday, so there's nothing open to buy any. But there we go. Yeah, they're under spring tension, so press in on the pads a little bit, you can get them out. There we go. Look at the stuff caked in there. Try to clean that out, I guess. Brake clean, I don't know. She pretty well had it. I got something that'll wash it out of there. I don't know if that's recommended, but it's what I do. I guess sometimes it's good to have a crushed stone floor. It's nice and clean in there, pretty good anyways. We're gonna pop this off if we can. So that boot's free, this one's sticking. I just gotta get the boot to stop sticking, I think. I'm always worried I'm gonna break something because I don't know what I'm doing. Got her. We learning. Bam. So yeah, the point of that is to clean the mess away from these and re-grease those pins. Make your caliper work more smooth. Alright, that's pretty clean. Now we'll put some grease on it. Should be plenty. Clean up a little bit of mud around these boots. Grease. I think we're good now. Boot back on. Maybe you just gotta press them in. Yep, just pressing it in, put it back on where it needed to be. Sweet. Look how nice that moves after you re-grease it. Definitely recommend re-greasing those pins. I guess what will happen if it doesn't move nice is it'll wear out one side of your pads and not the other. Now we're going to install our brake pads. Gam-offroad solutions, gamparts.com. Check them out, guys. Alright, pop that guy in there. Simple enough. Hook that guy on there. Pop him in. Clip. Let's see if we can get this back on. Probably should invest in a torque wrench. Snug them like that. Tighten these 230s up. I'm not going to over tighten them because I got to get them back out and change them. I'm going to look and order hex key ones to replace them with. Alright, I think we successfully changed the first brake pad onto the next one. Alright, so for the rear I've already got the lock pins loosened. I've got the bottom bolt out that holds the caliper on, and this one loosened. I just turned the camera on so we can see what shape the pads are in. Ooh, got my money's worth out of them ones. Oh baby. Feels smooth on this side. Maybe a little groove on this side, but I wouldn't say it's nothing to worry about. I don't got no Scotch-Brite, of course. Probably could use fine grade sandpaper, but I'll just wait till I get some Scotch-Brite, pull the wheels off someday and clean them up a little. For now, we'll get the mud cleaned out of this guy and repeat the process you already seen. New pads versus old. 2,800 kilometer stock Can-Am X3 brake pads versus gam-offroad solution brand new pads. So in about a year's time we'll look back at this and compare how these gam have wore in comparison. We got this baby all greased up. I say this baby because I don't know what it's called. Comment below. Moves nice and free now, which will let your new brake pads wear more evenly on both sides. Let me rephrase that. It'll make your new gam-offroad solutions brake pads wear more evenly on both sides. Let's see if we can get her positioned on here. Tighten them up after. Okay, we're getting close. Front's done. Rears are done. We're going to start her up now and pump up the brakes. Leave that there while I pump the brakes. Alright, all that's left to do is put the tires back on. There it is. That's all there is to it. We can let her down. Well, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you do it. We're going on a ride this weekend. You don't want to miss it. See you on the next one. They call me a god.